not working on this or doing anything RSX related. Well, I guess at least for now. But I'm gonna be working on this car. So I've already mocked it up on a pedal. This is what I should have bought 5 years ago. This is the Sugarfoot clutch pedal brace. But yeah. I don't know if video does it justice, but this feels terrible. Like, I don't even want to drive the car because of this. This feels like complete dog shit. And that's kind of another reason why I don't like 810s. This is like the only car where you put an upgraded clutch, knowing that a Civic owner is going to upgrade the clutch, most likely. They got to deal with this. But luckily, we're in 2026 and there's different options. You got MDP or Sugarfoot. I got the Sugarfoot one. But yeah. It's not a fucking Paris video when I have to turn on the car and go buy some damn wrenches because I have a million 14s and 13s, but not fucking 12s.
You should tell them the habit that you have of doing.
Yeah, I have a bad habit of also throwing everything, which I just got a tool bag just so I can eliminate that problem. $30 later. Oh, brother. Just to put this little piece of metal on, but this little piece of metal is gonna do wonders, I promise. Some little VTEC action. Okay guys, but yeah, like I probably showed earlier in the video, probably can't hear it, but this pedal feels like complete ass, and it's hard to get a smooth, nice shift into like another gear while the pedal feels like that, and mostly because the pedal is cracked. So I have two options. I could either put my other pedal on with the brace, or take this pedal out and just put the brace on this pedal. The pedal at my house is missing a few pieces that this I know is gonna have. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, let's see what it's like putting it on when I get to my damn house. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. I hope the video caught that. Yo, I hope it fucking caught that. There you go. I was just acting like a fool on the highway with some G90 wagon. I don't know what's the correct chassis code for the new M5 wagon. What is it, G91 or something? I don't know. But this car really punches above its like weight, I guess. Because, well, how much power a G90 got? Like 600? And it's a hybrid V8? Like, yeah, it weighs more than my damn near... It weighs almost the same as my tow truck. But I don't even have 300 horsepower in this. And I was doing very well. I need to, like, make sure I keep my Ray-Ban Metas in the car, bro. Just for stuff like that. Love driving this car. But once I put this freaking brace on, bro... This car's gonna drive so much better. Like, I'm gonna actually want to drive it. However, though, I do got a major problem I do have to address, because this car has a rattle on startup. I don't know if it's VTC, timing chain tensioner, timing guide, or whatever the case is, but I need to fix that ASAP. So as soon as I put the clutch, as soon as I put the clutch on, bro, on the RSX, then, you know, I'm gonna get this car situated. Yeah, you hear the pedal. It feels like, sounds like ass, feels like ass. It feels worse than how it sounds. I don't really care about a squeaky pedal, but the fact that it feels as bad as it sounds, Crazy. Love this car, bro. I definitely want to boost this car 100%. But before I boost it, I'm gonna I gotta put a trans in it. This ain't a typical Paris video without me towing the damn car that I tried to fix to my actual mechanic so he can actually fix it better than whatever. I have the worst luck with 8th Gen Civics. I swear to God, bro. Everybody else has like the best time of their lives working on these cars. But once it's me that's trying to work on the car by myself, bro, well, the worst thing ever. I don't get it. It is what it is. Like, I'm just thankful that I gotta go tow my own car, you know? So blessed and grateful for having a tow truck.
And we need to change the brake line.
And I need to change the brake line on my truck at that. Like, bro.
We're running on life and dreams.
Yeah, bro. Look, I gotta press all the way on the floor to be just stopped at a red light. Absolutely insane. This ain't a Paris video without Brown Boy Built me in here to finish my mistake, right?
Is that better?
All right, guys. Sorry for the wind noise. Let me fix that for you guys. God damn it, typical Honda shit. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to close out on this short video. We back on the road. Shout out to my mechanic Preet, and shout out to my girl. She's driving the tow truck right now. I just tested out the car with the new Sugarfoot pedal brace, and I think I need a new CMC because my pedal still feels weird. And when I did take out the pedal itself, like, I had no cracks, like my pedal was mint. So I probably need a new slave cylinder and a new CMC. But other than that, it goes in every gear fine. I still got my second gear grind, unfortunately, but I'll address that and fix that another time with hopefully a 9th Gen SI trans. But it feels good to be in my car. I need some boost though. I'm getting bored of the all motor stuff, but it was good being in it for sure though. But hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I'm gonna try to get this video out pretty quickly for you guys as I just dropped the video. I gotta get back on the YouTube grind. Like, YouTube has been so trash for me lately, like, views wise. Like, I appreciate everybody that still watches the videos, but bro, like, this getting 200, 300 view shit is like depressing, bro. Like, I know I gotta post more. That's what I'm gonna try to do, but I'm gonna keep on trying, and until until it's just no point of making videos, I guess. But hopefully this is more videos to come.